Trust is the foundation of every strong relationship. Without it, even the closest connections can crumble. Imagine a couple on the brink of separation because of broken trust, and how, through effort and vulnerability, they found their way back to each other. It's possible to build trust, even if it's been fractured. Today, we'll explore how to create, nurture, and repair trust in your relationships. Hi, I'm Evelyn Stonebridge, a relationship coach and counselor with over 20 years of experience. In my work, trust is a topic that comes up time and again because it's the glue that holds relationships together. Whether you're looking to establish trust in a new relationship or repair it in one that's been damaged, this video will provide you with actionable strategies to strengthen your bond and rebuild confidence in one another. Let's start by discussing how to build trust from the ground up. At its core, trust begins with open communication and honesty. These may sound simple, but their impact is profound. When you communicate openly, you invite your partner into your world, showing that you value their involvement in your thoughts and feelings. Honesty, even when it's uncomfortable, lays the groundwork for authenticity and mutual respect. Another crucial element is consistency. Trust isn't built overnight. It's established through repeated actions over time. Show up when you say you will. Keep your promises. Even small gestures like remembering an important date or following through on a commitment send the message that your words and actions align. Now let's look at a few real-life examples of trust building in action. Consider Sarah and John, a couple I worked with who struggled with trust due to past miscommunications. They began practicing regular truth sessions, where they'd sit down once a week to discuss their feelings and concerns openly. This consistent vulnerability created a safe space for both partners and strengthened their connection over time. Another example comes from Lisa, who was rebuilding trust with her friend Amanda after a disagreement. Lisa's willingness to apologize sincerely and Amanda's openness to forgive were key. They set boundaries to prevent future misunderstandings and prioritized meaningful conversations to repair their friendship. These stories remind us that trust isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about how you handle challenges when they arise. But building trust isn't without its struggles. Many people face obstacles, like past betrayals that make it hard to trust again, or miscommunications that lead to unnecessary tension. It's essential to acknowledge these setbacks and address them directly. For example, if you've experienced betrayal, take time to process your emotions. Seek clarity about what happened and discuss it openly with your partner. Rebuilding trust requires both parties to be willing to listen, empathize, and work together. Let me share a particularly moving example of trust repair. Emily and James had been married for 10 years when James revealed that he'd kept financial difficulties hidden from Emily. She felt betrayed, but they both wanted to work through it. They began therapy together, where James learned to communicate openly about his struggles, and Emily learned to rebuild confidence in their partnership. It was a long process, but through consistency, vulnerability, and a mutual desire to heal, they not only repaired their relationship but grew closer than ever before. This leads us to an essential insight. Trust isn't a one-time achievement. It's a continuous process. Every interaction, big or small, is an opportunity to either build or erode trust. When you prioritize transparency, consistency, and empathy, you're actively investing in the health of your relationship. To incorporate these ideas into your daily life, here are some practical steps. First, start small. Focus on small, meaningful actions that demonstrate reliability. Whether it's showing up on time or remembering a small detail your partner mentioned, these moments build a foundation of trust. Second, be honest. Even when the truth feels uncomfortable, honesty is always better than hiding or lying. Trust is built on authenticity. Third, create rituals of connection. Regularly check in with your partner or loved ones. Schedule time to talk, laugh, or share your day. These rituals create a sense of safety and predictability. Fourth, apologize and forgive. Mistakes happen. When they do, take responsibility and offer a sincere apology. If you're on the receiving end, consider the context and offer forgiveness when you're ready. Finally, seek support if needed. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if trust issues feel overwhelming. A counselor or therapist can provide tools and guidance tailored to your situation. In summary, building and repairing trust takes effort, patience, and a willingness to be vulnerable. But the rewards are immeasurable. Trust is what allows relationships to flourish and endure life's challenges. By prioritizing open communication, honesty, and consistency, you can create a bond that stands the test of time. Now it's your turn. Have you ever struggled with trust in a relationship? How did you handle it? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for deeper healing, I recommend my 3.5-hour guided sleep meditation on healing relationship wounds, which you can find at the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more insights into creating thriving relationships.